Hello class 7th. This is chapter number 5, adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjective answer such question as what kind, which one, how many. Adjectives can be used to describe color, that is blue, red, green, so on. Opinion, good, pretty, red, right, wrong, funny, light, happy, size, big, small, age, old, young, shape, round, triangle, origin, German, material, glass, distance, long, short, temperature, cold, warm, time, late, early. Adjective also asks the question what kind, which one, how many, how much. See the example given here is a bright sunny day. So which word is describing here the noun day? Bright and sunny. So these two words are adjective over here. See the next example. She is wearing a shiny blue track suit. Now track suit is noun here and the word shiny blue is describing it. So shiny blue is an adjective. One should not use too many adjectives in the sentences. The fierce, ugly, old brown tiger. To make a perfect sentence, one should follow the following order: size, then texture, then color, then type. So let us practice. Can you find the adjectives? First find the noun. We saw the grey elephant at the zoo. Now the green underlined words are the noun here and the word grey is describing the nouns. So grey word is an adjective over here. See if the sentence is the yellow big beach, shiny ball. This is the wrong pattern to write this sentence. We have to write this the big shiny yellow beach ball. Now kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality. It shows the quality of the noun. See the sentence. This is a red rose. This is a beautiful rose. All these two words, red and beautiful, describe the word rose. So these words are the adjective of quality. Now adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity answer the question how much. How much water is there in the jug? There is some water in the jug. See the highlighted words, they are describing the quantity of the noun water. Adjective of quantity. Some more examples are there is much water in the jug, there is little water in the jug, almost none. There is a little water in the jug, at least some. There is no water in the jug, none, zero quantity. There is some water in the jug, neither much nor less, not less. This is sufficient. There is sufficient water in the jug. There is enough water in the jug. All the highlighted word shows the adjective of quantity. See some more examples. Is there any water in the jug? There are few students in the class. There are a few students in the class. Some adjective of quantity can be used only with countable nouns. Some can be with uncountable and some with both. See one more example to show and to make it very clear what are the adjective of quantity. How much rice is there in the dish? There is much rice in the dish. We cannot count the rice. This is uncountable noun, so we have to use the word much or little. A little gives positive meaning. Adjective of quantity. One more example. A glass is half full of water. Type of adjectives of number. So adjective of definite number. There are also different categories. Cardinals when we count them in 1, 2, 3. Ordinal when we count them in first, second, third. Multiplicative, single, double, once, twice, thrice, triple, etc. Adjective of number show how many person or things are means. See the example, the hand has 5 fingers. Most boys like cricket. Numeral adjectives are of three kinds. Definite, they show the correct number 1, 2, 3, 4. Indefinite, we can use all, any, and distributive, either, neither. See the example, every word of it is true. Adjective of number, adjective of indefinite number, when they shows all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several. Now distributive adjectives, see the examples. Each boy in the class has a book. Every citizen should love his motherland. Either of the two is an engineer. Neither of them is a doctor. None of my friend is unemployed. Both of you are invited in the birthday party. Is there any water in the jug? Indefinite adjectives. Indefinite adjectives point out nouns. All, any, other, both, each, either, few, little, many, more, most, much, neither, one, other, several, some. Interrogative adjectives, as per the name shows, we have to ask the question, and if we use the words which, what, whose to describe a noun or to tell more about the noun, they are known as interrogative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out a noun. They are same words as demonstrative pronouns. They are for, this, that, these, those. See the table given here. This and that we use for the singular, and these and those we use for the plural. When the thing is near to us, we use this, and it is if it is singular in number. If the thing is far from us and singular in number, we use that. And if it is plural and far away, we use those. If the things are near to us and plural in number, we use these. See the examples. This book is very interesting. These boys are so obedient. That house is very costly. Those trees are very long. Now proper adjective, as per the name suggests, one type of descriptive adjective is called a proper adjective, derived from, come from. This means that they must always be capitalized. Proper adjectives sometimes are formed by adding a suffix to the proper noun. Proper adjectives. Proper noun, see the proper noun is America. Proper adjectives becomes American. France become French. Possessive adjectives. They show the ownership. They are 14. My, mine, our, ours, your, yours, yours, his, her, hers, its, their, theirs. Emphasizing adjectives, when we have to clear the sentence more. See, in the sentences, own and very word is used here. Example, I saw it with my own eyes. This is very thing we want. Formation of adjective. If we have to form the adjectives by given nouns and verbs, how we can do that? Boy becomes boyish, fool become foolish, dirt become dirty, talk become talkative, move become movable, and tire become tireless. Adjective, if we have to form again in the adjectives like this, tragic becomes tragical, black become blackish, sick becomes sickly, there becomes their fold, white become whitish. Now degree of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree of some adjectives in the adjectives as a single form. Aisha's mango is sweet. If we compare two things, we have to use the comparative degree and we have to use the word than. Ikra's mango is sweeter than Aisha's. Now superlative degree. It denotes the highest degree of quality and is used when more than two things are compared. Fosa's mango is the sweetest. The we have to use always before the superlative degree. Formation of comparative and superlative degree. See, positive, comparative and superlative. Small becomes smaller than smallest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Great, greater, greatest. Bold, bolder, boldest. See the books, pages of your book. All the sections I had explained. See the exercises. You have to fill them very carefully. Now see. This is the section you have to understand the specimen of a formal invitation. When we have to invite someone, And if it is a formal invitation, we don't know the person personally, so only you have to write down the name of the whom you are inviting. Then only you have to write only one line. There's no need to add something else. Request the pleasure of Mr. and Mrs. John Koshy's company at dinner on Saturday. You have to mention the date, day and time over there. And if you are accepting, see the address, you have to write your own address. And if you are accepting that, what you have to write, you have to accept the invitation given to you. So you have to write the name of the who had given the invitation to you, and then you have to mention the time and date that we will meet you at this time, the thank you, and then you can write your own address. Thank you.